Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explore an amazing tool called Docusaurus, designed to simplify the process of creating and maintaining documentation. Whether you are a developer, a project manager or a content creator, Docusaurus has something for everyone. So let's dive right in.
What is Docusaurus? Docusaurus is an open source documentation tool built by Facebook. It provides a streamlined way to create, deploy, and maintain documentation websites with ease.
Features Overview.
Simplified setup. Docusaurus comes with a simple setup process allowing you to create a documentation website in minutes. Markdown support. Write your documentation content using Markdown, a lightweight markup language that's easy to learn and use. Theming and customization. Customize the appearance of your documentation website with built-in themes and easy-to-use customization options. Versioning support. Keep track of multiple versions of your documentation and provide users with access to older versions if needed. Search functionality. Docusaurus includes powerful search functionality, making it easy for users to find the information they need quickly.
Getting started.
Installation. Install Docusaurus using npm or yarn and initialize a new documentation project. Configuration. Customize your documentation website by configuring settings such as site title, description, and theme. Content creation. Write your documentation content using Markdown files, organizing to folders according to your preferred structure. Deployment. Once your documentation is ready, deploy it to your preferred hosting platform using the built-in deployment tools.
Examples of documentation websites.
Software documentation. Create comprehensive documentation for your software projects, including API references, tutorials, and user guides. Product documentation. Document your product's features, installation instructions, troubleshooting tips, and more to help users get the most out of them. Project documentation. Keep track of project documentation, including requirements, design documents, and project plans in a centralized location.
Community and support.
Join the community. Connect with other Docusaurus users, share your experiences, and get help and advice from the community. Documentation and resources. Access comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and guides to help you make the most of Docusaurus for your projects.
And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Docusaurus and how it can streamline your documentation workflow. Whether you are documenting software, product, or projects, Docusaurus provides the tools and resources you need to create beautiful, user-friendly documentation websites. So why wait? Give Docusaurus a try today and take your documentation to the next level. Thanks for watching and happy documenting.